Hey guys, Hackersploit here, back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some of the security features that your router has in regards to DOS protection or DDoS protection. Alright, so as you remember in my Xerxes videos and in my other DDoS videos, I talked about the fact that you can actually block the ICMP pings, etc, and most of you thought that I was lying or there isn't something like that. So this is a video in response to that, and for those of you who are asking me how to do it, this video is also for you. So as you can see, I've actually logged into my router here, the router control panel. And there's not going to be anything serious here because again it is a subnet based system. So in terms of IP addresses, I don't want people coming and telling me that, I saw your IP address and I'm going to DDoS you. That just doesn't work anymore. So if I just go to the security and I go to advanced security, you can see that I have something called DOS protection. Now, for those of you who are actually calling me out and telling me there isn't something like this, what do you have to say about this? Alright, so if you just read on the right here where you have your help or your documentation, you can see that it allows you to enable or disable the DOS protection function. When it's enabled, the flood filters will be enabled. So again, you have your ICMP flood attack filtering. So what this means is once you enable this, performing a DDoS or DDoS attack will not take down your internet connection in the sense that it will block the ICMP floods. And when you're talking about, for example, stuff like the TCP synchronized headers for the packets, you cannot enable that. So depending on the type of DOS or DDoS attack you're trying to perform, if you have a good access point or a modern router, I would say it should have this. Now I'm not sure if your router doesn't have this security protocol or security feature. You might be looking at, selecting a new one if this is what you're really up to or what you intend to do. So by default, you can enable the DOS protection, and then you can finally enable the type of packets you'll be sending. So you have your user datagram protocol, UDP, ICMP, TCP, the synchronized flood attacks, which is very, very powerful as well. You can increase the threshold depending on what you've set so that, there's no packet loss. And then you can also forbid the ping packets from the WAN port and the LAN port. So again, you can forbid it from affecting other computers on your network. Alright, but I don't perform DOS attacks or DDoS attacks for that matter. So again, I don't need to enable it. But this is the way to do it. And for those of you who are calling me out, I hope you can see that it is real. If you're telling me that Xerxes doesn't work, it does work. You just need to know what you're doing with your router, and you need to understand the flow of packets. So again, this is a short video and I just wanted to clear things up. Don't worry, uploads will be regular now, and the web penetration testing video should come straight after this. Anyway, as I said, that's a small little video just to help you guys who are a bit confused. And yeah, if you found value in this video, please leave a like down below. If you have any comments, suggestions or questions, let me know in the comment section or on my social networks, or you can hit me up on my website, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace.